In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play YouTube video audio aloud or grab a video audio file and turn it into a transcript using Otter AI. If you need a simple way to capture spoken content from a video and convert it into readable text, this method is a practical option. The basic idea is very straightforward. You'll either play the audio out loud so Otter can listen in real time, or upload an audio file directly if you already have one saved. From there, Otter does the work of processing the speech and organizing it into a transcript. To begin, open otter.ai in your browser or app and look for the import option. This is the choice you'll use if you already have the video sound saved as an audio file on your device. If you don't have a separate file, and instead want Otter to capture the sound as it plays, you can turn on Otter's live recording feature. Choosing between these two options depends on what you have available and which workflow feels easier for you. Once you're inside Otter, the next step is to either record or upload the video sound file. If you're using live recording, make sure your audio is clear before you start. That means keeping background noise low and making sure the video volume is loud enough for accurate speech detection. If you're uploading a file, select the audio from your device and let Otter begin processing it. In general, cleaner audio leads to a better transcript, so it helps to use the highest quality sound you can. After that, allow Otter AI to process the speech into an organized text transcript. This part may take a little time, depending on the length and quality of the audio, so just give it a moment to finish. Once processing is complete, you'll be able to read through the transcript in a clean, structured format. This makes it much easier to review spoken content, pull out important information, or save the text for notes and documentation. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to quickly skim the finished transcript for any words that may have been misheard, especially if the audio includes fast speech, accents, or background sounds. Even with strong speech recognition, a quick review can help improve accuracy. That's the full process for using Otter AI to capture audio from a YouTube video or an audio file and turn it into organized text.